Welcome to the Solutionbee tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic steps of setting up the HM6 to connect it to a nearby router, and set up the upload schedule. Let's start. Before we proceed with the actual setup, let's go over 5 crucial steps that you need to perform first. 1. Make sure you have an Android phone that supports NFC, and that NFC is turned on in settings. An inexpensive phone that works well is the Motorola X4 phone. If NFC is not listed in the settings, then it probably doesn't have NFC. 2. Download the Solutionbee Beware app from the Google Play Store to your Android phone. 3. Make sure you have set up a Solutionbee account. 4. Make sure that you have logged into that account on the Beware phone app. And 5. Make sure that you are within Wi-Fi range of your router and that you know the exact spelling of the router password. Check the knowledge base for instructions and videos if you have any questions on performing these preparatory steps. Now, open the Beware phone app. Right now, the app is displaying the monitor list screen, which is empty because no HM6 has been read yet. Notice that HM6 has been selected from the list of device types at the top of the screen. Now, with the empty monitor list showing, read the HM6 by touching the phone up against the electronic module. All Androids are a bit different, so your Android might need small adjustments to the position of the phone to get a good NFC connection. The Moto X4 connects best with the phone top edge touching the front top of the electronic module, and the back of the phone, almost, but not quite, flush with the module positioned at an angle of 5 or 10 degrees. This Samsung connects differently, with the back of the phone flush against the electronic module. Select Cancel when the option window appears. Tap anywhere on the tile for that monitor to pull up the feature menu. Select Configure Device from the feature menu. Establish another connection between the phone and the electronic module. At first, a short NFC connection is made. NFC wakes up the HM6, followed by a Bluetooth connection. The Bluetooth connection between the HM6 and the phone remains active even after pulling the phone back from the electronic module. With a blue dot blinking indicating a live Bluetooth connection, tap on the green button with the opposing arrows to scan for your nearby Wi-Fi router. Select your router when it appears. Insert the Wi-Fi password, then press the large blue button in order to write that router name and password into your HM6. The router status will indicate connected once the HM6 has found the router. Now proceed to the upload schedule. The default upload time is 9 p.m. Standard Time. If your region implements daylight savings time, then a 9 p.m. upload will actually occur at 10 p.m. in the summer. You may add uploads, but there must be a minimum of 1 upload time per day. Note that each additional daily upload reduces the battery life of the HM6. When finished setting the upload schedule, write the new schedule to the HM6 by pressing the large blue button. You are done. Press the Android back button to return to the monitor list. If correctly configured, your HM6 will now continuously upload its data to the cloud according to the upload schedule you specified. Check the web app, go to www.solutionbee.com, then My Solutionbee, to view your data. Note that it might take a day or two for the HM6 to report regularly at the scheduled times. The reason is that, by design, the amount of data uploaded at one time is limited, in order to maximize battery life. Therefore, the upload schedule is initially a bit irregular if the HM6 has accumulated a lot of data since the last upload. If you would like to tear, or zero out your scale, check the knowledge base on how to perform this operation. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your HM6. Here are some troubleshooting tips. If you get errors while trying to use the app, make sure your phone is connected into the internet via Wi-Fi is enough, and that you are logged into your Solutionbee account. If the HM6 does not connect to your router, make sure that you have entered the correct password for that router. Also, make sure that your router is close enough to the HM6. It is highly recommended to perform the setup at home or in the office first, before installing the HM6 under the Hive. You will also want to perform a tear, or zeroing, before installing the monitor under a Hive. Check out our other video in the knowledge base for how to perform a tear on the HM6. The Bluetooth connection will eventually time out after a longer period of inactivity. If that happens, just restart the procedure from the beginning, that is, select the correct HM6 from the monitor list and then tap the Configure Device icon again. Email, support@solutionbee.com, if you have any further questions about the setup procedure, or check the knowledge base. We are here to help, and we love to assist our customers in helping them use their new equipment.